Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to plant out Saxifrage bulbs.
Saxifrage is a must-have low-maintenance plant for your garden. They produce masses of delicate star-shaped blooms and thrive in harsh conditions. They look wonderful in rockeries that mimic their natural habitat or add a little something different to your pots. Where to grow? Saxifrage grow best in particularly shaded areas of your garden. They're not fussy about soil or watering, and they're very hardy as they're naturally found in areas of harsh conditions. Saxifraga bulbs can be planted directly outside in borders or rockeries, but as the bulbs are naturally small, it is best to start them off in pots so you can establish without competition. They can be grown on outdoors until they are ready to be planted out. How to plant? To plant saxifrage, fill your container with multi-purpose, well-draining compost. The bulbs are very tiny, so you don't need a large container. Check your container has drainage holes and add some in if necessary. Plant the bulbs around 2 to 3 centimetres deep with the pointed side facing upwards. Space the bulbs around 10 centimetres apart from each other. If the soil is very dry, then water them in a little after planting. They won't require any further watering through winter unless we have a long period without natural rainfall. Saxifrage bulbs will flower in May and June with beautiful, delicate blooms and lush green foliage. After flowering, leave the bulbs planted in the ground throughout the year. Just deadhead any flowers that are looking dull and cut down any foliage that's growing wild. Your saxifrage plants will grow back year after year and put on a stunning display with little maintenance.